Baba, I've been losing weight. I'm following your plan.
No, that's right.
Salad. So is that why you made it for me?
Yes, and
How thoughtful of
I'll
Baba.
have tuna, and you're gonna have this tuna.
So I'm gonna have tuna and BECARAC?
Yes.
That's a little odd mix.
No.
Well,
Because
I am
tuna
losing-
is fish.
Okay, well I am losing weight about 1 pound a week. I
That's-
thought I would lose more, but it's been an
No.
up and down.
That's from first month. First month is
It's the
like
hardest,
that.
I think.
Is the hardest. Cut the bread because we were raised.
Mama, I'm cutting down bread. I cut out all pizza.
Well, that's bread. Look that way. But
Bread
they
and
said,
cheese.
but they said the pizza is really not fat food. That's new study.
Baba, I am so sick and tired of all kinds of studies. It's like one study says one thing is good for you, another study says that one thing that was supposed to be good for you. I could list, in fact I saw last week something where, and I didn't even read the article, where juice is not healthy for you, scientists said.
But juice is not healthy. You know why?
Why?
Because it does have too much sugar.
But I didn't read it, maybe it was fruit juice. But my point is that, you know, there's so many studies that conflict.
Everything you need to remember, everything in normal portion is okay. Juice you buy, it's combination and sweetness in. Sometimes they said all those they said it's better have a little bit sugar than any another artificial.
Okay, but last night I will tell you, we've been eating your Chef Baba salad, different variations.
That's
We've
the
been
best.
eating a lot of beans,
Yes,
and we have minimized meat,
yes.
maybe twice a week. But Baba, I did have last night when we were watching the Bachelor and Trump.
Oh, you
speech.
watched last night?
Yeah, I watched that. I recorded it. But
Okay.
anyway, we had a few glasses of wine, and then because I don't eat much,
Okay.
I wanted to have a little sandwich, so I made a Serbian sausage sandwich.
But that's good.
That was good. And you know what, Baba? Today I thought I was way more, but I'm not. I'm actually now lowest in the 21 days.
Okay.
I went back to my lowest point at 198.2.
Okay.
So
But I'll tell you
I
something.
lost 3.2 pounds in 21 days.
I tell you something. If you stand on the scale every day, it's not good.
Baba, it's good for me. I like it because you know what?
Well, it depends.
I'll tell you why it's good for me.
Because you change habit.
It's gonna fluctuate. I get it. I've been down this road before, but I know that I'm losing weight. I can feel it in my stomach.
Okay.
You know me, Baba.
Yeah, I know.
I like tracking everything, so I am tracking not only your plan, but also how much I exercise and all that, because I want to do some calculus on it and figure some stuff out.
If I lose without exercise, and in my age, that tell you something.
I know, but you're still, I mean, I don't want to lose more than 25 pounds, by the way. At 25 pounds, I'm
It's
perfect.
for you,
It's an optimal soccer weight for me, so, yeah.
Great.
Baba, did you hear that Gordon Ramsay, and I don't know if this is true, supposedly lost weight to save his marriage?
Who?
Gordon Ramsay. So I told Jana. So I told Jana that I'm focused on saving weight to win another trophy, soccer trophy. Okay, so that's why we're losing weight.
That's drastically. That's more than drastic.
I gotta Google that article,
No. How long they are married?
I don't know. I just saw it. I was exercising and I saw it on TV. Somebody, shows him without a shirt and he lost weight, and I'm estimating he lost 20-25 pounds, and like Gordon Ramsay loses weight in order to save his marriage. I don't know, it's one of those.
That's crazy.
Well, I don't know if it's true. So Gordon Ramsay, I'm sorry if I'm trash talking, but I'm not. I'm just found it very odd. I don't even know if it's true.
Wow, that's sad. You know what he said?
What?
If I can
What?
put
Yeah.
myself in that situation
Uh-huh.
to order my husband to lose weight, that's ridiculous. That's not marriage.
Baba,
That looks like
Bob,
no. Looks like someone is trying to skip a marriage.
oh, well, I don't know about that, but let's not get into the Gordon Ramsay
Yeah,
gossip
you're
here.
right. No.
Baba, is it boiling?
No.
Okay, so
Oh!
you didn't put it on high?
Yeah.
Way to go, Baba. Put it on high, okay?
Yeah.